Oh, hey folks. Well, thought I should show you what I'm doing here today. And this brings up actually a really interesting topic to me anyways. And so, make sure my camera's doing good here. This brings up the topic of something that's been on my mind, and I call it the off-grid mentality. And so this little scenario here kind of reiterated that idea in my head that's been floating around for a while. So I call it the off-grid mentality because of this. Because there's varying degrees of off-grid, and I've talked about that in prior videos. But just to reiterate or state that very quickly, it kind of looks like, you know, you can shut the power off in town somewhere in the city, and you know, you could get your own water source. You could kind of go off grid, you know, basically right in the middle of suburbia if you really wanted to. And some people might, and that's nothing wrong with that. But you know, depending on location and stuff like that, like where we are, we're about 3 kilometers as the crow flies off, you know, any potential power grid. So anyways, we're out in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the middle of the forest. And in some people's interpretation, that might be like way out there. Other people I watch online, you know, they're a day's hike away or whatever from any civilization, and hours of driving, whatever, float down a river, stuff like that. But anyways, so that all changes. So the point is that you can be like, oh, you know, that's not off grid or this is off grid. So just get rid of all that kind of debate in your mind or people's minds, and just say this, that there is, like, you can live in suburbia and still have kind of this off grid mentality. You desire to be off grid, or you interested in off grid, whatever. So in this idea that we have a mentality, like I realized that I've had it my whole life. But here's the thing. I feel like here's the thing. Look who showed up for the talk. Yeah, you're going to listen to me? Let's put you there. So I've kind of had this off-grid mentality my whole life. I just never knew it. And so maybe that's you. Maybe you identify with that idea that, you know, you have these ideas and sort of, you know, maybe little trips into the forest, whatever, where you do some off-grid, you know, stuff, camping, all that kind of thing. But this brings up kind of what I'm doing here today. And I was wiring up, so this is a 12-volt electrical system in a cabin. Here, I'll spin the camera so you can see it. Sort of see what I'm talking about. So that there is my panel I just made. The battery is just below it. It's 12 volt, like I said. There's my heater. Newport or Dickinson or whatever that thing is called. Propane heater. So I'm hooking up this 12 volt electrical system, and I am out off the beaten path here a bit, and trips to town are time consuming and can be expensive. So I try to do whatever I can with what I have, and I have quite a bit here. So that's back to my case in point. Off-grid mentality is exactly that, is just utilizing what you have at the moment to get the job done. And so here's an example. I'm putting some lights in, and my wife buys these cheap lights, whatever. Fine with it for the most part, except for the fact that a lot of them don't work properly, and I have to improvise. So this came, I don't even know where it is. It came, oh, here it is. Came with this stupid little thing. She didn't even notice that. I didn't even see it when she bought it. It's an LED light. Doesn't work for what I'm doing here. And I need just these typical screw-in type light bulbs, but they're 12 volts, and that is not gonna work. So I pulled the guts out of it. I had this old light fixture kicking around, screw-in light fixture, and I drilled that out, took them parts and pieces out of there, and now I'm just fishing the wire into here so that I can get this done, because I don't feel like running to town. It's too late in the day, and I want to have these lights on tonight. So I took parts and pieces from different things, which to me is the off-grid mentality. Fish that through there, and I'm gonna have to modify that a little bit, but looks like it's gonna work. So I'm gonna make this light fixture work for me with what I got and not have to go buy anything. That to me embodies the off-grid mentality, and I think it's a very, very valuable thing to have as far as a gifting and making do with what you have, and not just kind of like, I'm not talking about like, you know, Mickey Mouse and things together. No offense to Mickey Mouse, but you know, I'm not talking about being, you know, super, you know, MacGyver duct tape kind of, you know, type of thing. If you have to do that, you do that. But I'm talking about more like, you know, doing something proper, but using what you have to do it proper, and that takes a certain skill set and as I said, a mindset. And so here I am fixing with using what I have and making it work. Anyways, just thought somebody would be interested in that idea of sort of the off-grid mentality. I'm sure somebody else has talked about it, but it's the first time I've kind of thought about it or made it public anyways. All right, well, we'll talk to you next time.